Hey guys, how's it going? How to cancel Namecheap domain. So first of all, log into Namecheap, access your account, navigate to the domain list section, find the domain that you want to cancel and click on it, and then if applicable, turn off auto renewal. And for immediate cancellation, you may need to transfer or manually delete domain if allowed, or contact Namecheap support for assistance. Ensure to back up any important data related to the domain before cancellation. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.